Hello guys, today is Tuesday, 3rd of March. You can see the time is almost 6:30. Right, and I'm going to continue pound dollar analysis, and right now I'm watching weekly chart. As you can see, it's look like the price did respect this support area. This support area is basically one of the weakest highest point, and let's see here, like stochastic is still above 80, but we can see that the MACD, the flex MACD, is turning to bearish, and momentum still is bearish, but let's see on daily. All right, yesterday we can see the bearish movement, and the price did break this blue balance line, and price did nicely respect on this support area. All right, and we can see the candle right now is performing bullish, and it's looked like a bearish rejection, but it's too early to say. We'll see in London Open. What we see at the bottom, flex stochastic is below 20, and the flex MACD is bearish, and the momentum, as you can see, the momentum is basically turning to bullish. If the momentum stays bullish, then I can see continuity of the bullish trend, because this is daily chart. We'll see how the market is going to perform today. Let's move on to 4 hour. Right, what we see in 4 hour, yesterday the price did respect nicely this trend resistance, and you can see the price, there's a bearish movement, and the price nicely respect this support area again, and we had another a long opportunity this area yesterday, and this is the baseline. Sometimes the baseline with the combination of support and resistance is also we consider as a resistance and support. All right, let's move plan for the day. Let's move on to the 1 hour. Right, before we jump into for the plan of today, I'm just gonna mention, just gonna go through the yesterday trade I mentioned. As I mentioned yesterday, there's opportunities if the price break this trend resistance line or this support. So we had yesterday we had this triangle, and what happened, the price nicely respect this trend resistance line, and this was the opportunity, golden opportunity, because what we see here, yesterday we can see the trend resistance line plus the balance line plus the more line. It's a combination of 3 resistance, and after that the price after this candle we had an opportunity for short. Right, so, and you can see the movement yesterday for a short trade was just a minute, around about 53 pips, and after that you can see the price did respect this resistance, the support area, and you can see this is movement. Right, so what's the agenda for today? What I'm looking into, first of all, as you can see, I'm just gonna draw this line. You can see the price broke on this trend resistance and the more line as well. And what we see here, we can see the stochastic is above 80, and we had another resistance, and you can see that it's look like the price is respecting this resistance, right? And momentum has basically cross the momentum more line, and if it stays above, and then we can see the price might going to respect this resistance line is a pullback, and then we can see the continuity of bullish, but it's too early to say we'll see how the market is going to perform. So what I'm looking today, and if the price break this wedge breakout, then probably I'm going to be looking for a short opportunity, right? But if the price break this resistance, then probably I'm going to be looking for the long opportunity. But ahead I can see I have very powerful resistance, like number 1 is a Bollinger Band, number 2 is a balance line, number 3 is a trend resistance, right? So we might have short opportunity here for a couple, for the counter trade here, right? So let's see how the market is going to react today. So that's what I'm looking into it. If the market break this resistance, then I have a couple of pips I'm looking here. Then I'm also looking for short opportunity here, or either if the price break this wedge breakout, then I'm going to be looking for the short trade. Right, let's see if there's any financial news today. Right, today we have two high impact news for pound. One is 9:30 and one is at 10 a.m. So these two high impact news, we'll see how market is going to react on these news. Alright guys, that's it for today, and if the price respect this resistance and break this wedge breakout, then my target would be this area. And if the price broke this area and we had another opportunity, this area, I'm looking into it. But if the price break this area, then we can assume, as based on the monthly continuity of bullish, but it's too early to say. We'll see how the financial news is going to make reaction into the market, but I always take confirmation in a short time frame, probably in 5 minutes, keeping an eye on high time frame, and that's what we trade. We'll see how the market is going to react today. Have a safe trading. I'll see you tomorrow.